the was say at the no esa the pressure toast wa
he was said NPP for the same.
Yes, the say at the some people for the same your man
no go position
and I say so man why you because someone will say you move be a kasa and ye kasa what do I say into because of that let's take advantage to do that.
Okay
na Kenya sama can this MPP for to make say Ghana for and me tell me am GFK nka me bufu afu ye no
o say ahokere Ghana nti na omo nomination for
me bufu we understand the hardship.
Yes
me say sakasa no GFK me na me niano no
na obufu say
me bufu ya che say
ono we Ghana na e bia man for complaints ahokere wa so omo hokere wo so
may God have mercy upon him.
How?
May God have mercy upon him.
Oh no, Kojo, I don't understand what you're saying.
May God have mercy upon him.
Obi no be catch any kwaso wakana.
JFK catch obi say what say yenye komase.
Why can't you talk about?
You see, these are some of the things to the bia yepesi agum. Kakra. Ni allow MPP for no to do their position. Now masa my ya sati afaso.
Are you saying the MPP does not have the moral right?
You do not say not MPP. Those people, the executives and the people now womu ewa around na ye ka wonsimo no mu didi atam. Dey moral right no more. Mama me bumfu. A dey moral right na JFK work at and say hardship.
Party pani.
Party dey.
Pani.
8 years what did they do? We were here, they were attacking us and insulting us.
3 SHS.
Then ye me kosi sen. Ye can want some no mu di atem no. And then mo say hardship onka.
O say ahokere Ghana.
O breso and a DDP buy. Do you know the number of people awumewu? O breso. Enti me ti sa nyoma na bibia be shema kuma. Because I say say o ye bayfo. Ko bayfo na nani wu asem. How do you tell me just 2 years ago Ghanaians were complaining, you were insulting and attacking everybody.
Everybody who was complaining
and calling us names.
Yeah. Say wako jiska. Until a man for Kwanko.
Minia Sammy Awuku. Bako. President should stop the jet, the buying of jet and channel it to the cocoa.
Afenyo Markin the kind.
But this any
Afenyo Markin so the start any omuna to us.
Tesa me tie me makuma ye me yasa bibia be hye me kon. And I was na MPP 4 year. Me ka MPP no mu ase ho no. Me ka MPP 4 no mu aban mu. Sammy Awuku, Miracle, JFK, why Afenyo Markin. Munyina mu aban mu na moto na Akufo Addo ye bibia mu ntimi nka. All of a sudden, when you know,
as I say, more Ghana solutions now.
They say, yeah, me times hard, you know, in opposition. I say, me busa, who opposition?
More solutions.
What do you need to say Ghana for? Who opposition? Oh, me Miracle, me who say, or Teswa, na me sre. And can do any legitimate to Kebe support, you know.
Kaya papa on.
Kaya de pa. But don't tell Uncle Forson in Penasem. He's my brother.
Only didn't come.
But the point is that I am a time, I'm a bufu.
So maybe I come a walk and no more do at all. Disca for NDC for na walker.
It says so much walk with this kind of way.
I'm going to go disco.
There be so soon as so mukutu pass so munque.
And Ghana for
Ghana for let me tell you, it is an interest. Omo interest. Listen, I teach public advocacy.
Yeah.
I teach public advocacy. So understand when you are doing when you're engaging in true advocacy.
You think this is fake?
This is a fake advocacy.
Wow.
The interest is let's gather votes.
Political interest.
Let's make NDC be hated among the farmers.
Okay.
I don't have a problem because NDC funds so yeah. But you see, when you look at social movement, you see one of the tools in advocacy is social movement. What is social movement? Social movement is about gathering people. You understand? Gathering the necessary resources to engage in something to change the system. Okay. Because in advocacy, you were self-advocacy. One kasabia bibi mkoye no sorry. Now we defend. You were individual advocacy. At the end of so now and was systemic. When you realize that the system is at fault, so you wake up and you rise up to make sure say the right thing is being done. But your social movement, there are people who will gather you into your account AFAC, Occupy Ghana demo, But check them. All those who engage in those demonstrations, you know, only few mean well for the country. Their interest, I am more of let's take advantage because one of Bill Moyer's idea is say normal times, you know, you were the second one who can say failure You understand? Proof of failure of the institution. Proof of failure of the institution, and they say adie bi koso na obi anka wansema eduru ba bia as an institution in person be adwuma. Then we call the third one ripening opportunity or openings. Ripening opportunity say that's the time everybody is now talking about it, gaining media attention. Then what happened? You take advantage and engage your social movement.
Okay.
Because you realize that obia buafu it is a me advocate me sorry nipa be come home.
Okay.
And what Miracle is doing is he realizes that the normal times people are talking but no action being taken. And one realizes a cocoa board I was say acting. Until when the media were talking about hey yeah watching a cocoa farm and then Mahamadu Bawumia then we say movement, social movement take off.
So that's what the people forum is.
That is what the people forum. So gathering people, letting them talk and behaving as if but
realistically, was it possible for the NPP to criticize themselves when they were in power? So because realistically,
there are real people who criticize.
No, I'm saying that because also more opposition.
No, but the point is that you see me. The reason why I can talk now.
Yes, because
me kasai.
Yes.
That is principle. Me fancy ye. Say me matua me NPP sa. Unless say mo amotiwa mo ya mo propaganda. Me say and I repeat before God and man. John Mahama mentuma ne da. Mentuma NDC da. There's no way I can be an NDC person. At best it will be CPP. But share baby Ato aba me ko fonti na mame do NPP
anya Kofo anka onye NPP
there be ko fonti na man na nka janto for the CPP
of course yeah
but Kofo ye papa Kofo ne nyoma obeye any allowing freedom of expression ne sanyo any emu bi pair Kofo asem enti ye toma Kofo 1 Kofo 2 Nana Akufo Addo 1 Nana Akufo Addo 2 Nana Akufo Addo 3
the 4 no dey nka
2024 na who say enkoyi.
And it also good.
That is why some of us, into what you are now the NDC journalist, you don't even understand it. I pity you guys. I pity Muna Mudi in your messio. Me for BNC.
Oh, now kind of clear.
Mum na Mudi BBC na NDC journalist. And I'm casting NDC journalist for me and moi. So NDC journalist or Yabua. NDC for na boom plus other Ghanaians.
Yes.
And I got 2 about Tiamono. Sa arrogance in Ibino. And I can't wait here now. I'm a John Mahama Waya Konono. The reason why Nyoma BBC Bana John Mahama Fort Krana Woka no Jabini said Obeka Nyansa Otia Sem no. What do I say? First na Anka Nana Akufo Addo asema me ka ya ebitia president no ko ba kotena platform so kra to ayampia mai
o se bo amosora mo kuma se amokasa tie
ko be ka say o se professional Jeremiahs so I tell you na Akufo professional Jeremiahs meaning that wa be ka na asem bia no we so won pa de ni ye obi Akufo Addo de no check it. And that is why recently Dr. Steve Manto omu bae no mu say CSS for no asia tomu to say journalists nyina NDC atomu wa hwan nyina, and he was saying say you insult us and expect us to say certain things for you or defend you.
Yes, atamna ye hu bibia nya na ye kana mu di atebro.
That's it.
I feel say ye kebma.
And how do you expect a CSO? How do you expect a journalist that you have attacked for 8 years? Me life was at stake. I was nearly killed on the NPP. People don't know. Obi to radio so no can say munu because what is social media you can just talk. Yeah, who bought for the now it's just social media and I work can open. When we were fighting for this country, both on radio and physically, there are people who meet you. There were people who wanted to adopt us. You're all these things we had done to fight for this country. It is very funny. Somebody with a PhD. Look at him say, "Me, I'm waiting for appointment."
Appointment there.
It's so just a metia na me bukreful. Oh, that I say somebody I wait for your appointment. Mahama's appointment. Me a buy appointment the other. A buy appointment. Me the other. A buy appointment. But you see, the problem is that the hypocrisy of MPP, some of the MPP, and you I must be honest. And young people phoning in an but the hypocrisy of my brother Miracle and Sammy Awuku, Afenyo Markin, and all these people, you were there. Now today you are talking about what? Hardship. May God punish you.
Oh no, continue about tre. Relax it. No more show video ni pa o. No more show video ni pa.
And I'm saying that is why how God punishes them. God will use your enemy to project you.
Because almost what kasa na Akufo Addo COVID time.
And I'm saying because people do not know that me when it was good about Akufo Addo, I said it.
Yeah.
Unless say you want to be hypocrite. I defended NAPO. I have always defended free senior high school.
Yeah.
I have defended the fact that under Akufo Addo, he was able to manage chieftaincy issues well. There are a lot of things I have openly. In fact, Omuko Google said, I said something that one of my biggest headache is after when NDC comes to power, who takes over from the education ministry. It was my headache. So ubeka na emu bi kra kasen ka Mahama maintain edutum.
Yeah.
Said about education. Once an education who nya problem. What they said the traction and na edutum edi education eko. Nature Haruna Edusu. But let's be honest. Let's be honest. I don't hate him. But let's be honest with edutum. You may have or a nipa.
So political biases or
but
yeah.
Between edutum and Haruna, need the eco education. Look at what is happening. There's no talkability
around the education sector.
Around the education system as it used to be.
So the idea is because there's no controversy.
There are controversies. What is happening to the STEM? What is happening? There are many of the STEMs say Google. So my point is that you do not anger us. You do not get us angry when you, at that time, were attacking us. And now, Kasa, you understand the hardship.
And now, Akufo video share the Kasa.
And now, and
I don't almost any credibility, no. Akufo video.
Because do you know why? People don't. I understand these things. The entire untimi, the NPP for everything to make sure say my cut down. But like that, as you keep me down, I will rise. Me see my enemy will use me, project me for free. Other the NPP for them are popular.
That be I had a young ball form.
That's it.
Omo balls na apejao.
Be ya no mu nim say omo beto de na me da ho simple. Amaya relaxer. Omo ani abre wo social media me say dan krofo yi. We are serious there.
And then I'm posting videos, but
they will post. I've told you that God uses these people, your enemies, to project you every time. Me nyamba radio sumponiu. Nana janto aye sha se kakra bi mpo no. E na musui. Ne.
What shaky foundation no.
Yenya before nana janto akwa. Yenya ndru ba bia no.
So
God dey say. What say you empower be at all, but now you pick Nana Jantwa. I am not boasting. I'm saying this humbly that you will be what I may not be perfect. Men can't me perfect, but I am passionate about Ghana.
Of course, Ghana first.
I want Ghana to be okay. I do not care about NDC NPP. I want a situation where maybe there be many you. But the kind of pressure that goes in, and come in so many crowd for and pressure mami so
and
wo to ebia wo yanimu social media nkwa na ka yem fra wo mebusa say accommodate obi fra wo kan che say na me school fees na no me share one of my students I don't know hey I one of my students minim nimpo because I cannot identify
the school fees a problem by
oh yeah no say I have not registered
school fees
and I say school fees na say no say obo you can say 6,000 today and I'm say hey now other what say I have only 2,500 and I'm saying Jotia half for crop me and I told her say okay with their friend I mentioned him man planning says I didn't know but just to top up no timia register no timia tro ni nim ni ba bia wo enye mabusia ni no I'm just teaching her but there are many people we cannot say and I want the situation say ankasa mayu ani that is why I'm fighting. Because I have Sammy home Tommy.
Of course.
So nobody to me nyamisika mina medi and then nyamisika bosomia. Unim crofo ebedu okra na okra undi 1,000. To be the whole day. Na be 50 cities. And where die.
So more show no more dia bro.
So that is the reason why when I see these things I am annoyed. So you call me say I'm emotional. Yes, I want to be emotional. Because I don't understand why when you know school, it be a doctor, it be a PhD for, it be a share one, ya mama chance, na mo messy up. Na no who complain, na no who diatem, na no near Casana Akufo Addo no hey. One fee, much rocho be a diatem, attacking a fresh stomach journalist.
Yeah, I'm also a
stomach journalist, NDC journalist, me John Mahama, me who need that. John Mahama, me, I can swear. I've never seen John Mahama physically that. I have never spoken to John Mahama on phone that. John Mahama has never called me on phone that.
But you want to help me to succeed.
But what is happening? I'm being lied, said John Mahama. They say crab back home, you say government WhatsApp the just say all because they think say at your age. I have spent 5 years in my PhD. I have read a lot of literature.
So it's kind of tall.
Me na me defending, and you be defending ma'am you. Obi a your PhD defend viva no. Almost say what you go through to defend. Me na me defend you. Na me papa ni mama ni me busuafo any ho.
Asante Bediatuo say you this kind of.
Then you are telling me that I cannot reason.
How?
I cannot. So it is so annoying, honestly. What you mean can't say Ghana for hardship? Hardship, who brought it?
Oh, saying the buying winner also.
Are you saying say John Mahama na dey hardship on the buy? Let's be honest.
Jeff Kasimo kind of make.
And I'm catch us. Are you saying say John Mahama na dey ahochiraba? In fact, John Mahama has rather eased the burden. Yes, John Mahama has eased the burden for over 1 year. Petrol relatively very good.
I stabilize.
Dollar good. And your man be brave.
What the plan of life?
Now no me catch us a cement from 90 something. 75 I'm a toy.
Yes. What the plan of life?
What me the plan it? And now me messing for neighbor and your man be brave. Mu yam budget wa high no. Matete so. Me say your man atete so. And to catch him say dear impactor. Then you ask your dear impact. What are you talking about?
Because don't see who the chief just know West near you Monday. What Mahama Basso for that?
No, why are there on twice wa memo bia because ni legacy ni.
Yeah.
On your non fence wo.
Them here convinced here when majority in parliament making moves to new OSP no. Yeah, President Choi let come on say there be.
John Mahama is smart. John Mahama is smart because what you are making the news into him say Ade we Ghana form pay.
It gives him good perception.
Yes, Ade we Ghana form pay. Ade because right now he is protecting not only NDC but protecting a certain system. Or say I want to leave that the standard is so high that whoever comes in you don't mess up.
What you the Kramnian ko yes away Kramnian ko. I don't about you no.
Ade no.
Anya butre. And that's what di.
No, but mama nkeka bin show. Abi before nya sa nyoma no. Afi na wo share we so share we so share.
We dey quote you to share.
Share.
Oh share. Message I was share.
Share
Quote ya.
Na nya wani wu say. O dey tie o.
Nipa so nya credible no.
Anya wani wu kra say me o say me NDC journalist. But you are sharing NDC journal. How did an NDC person become relevant under whatever? Within your own.
And they all share down to a content. They can't watch them. It's a favor. Hey, Ghana home. Yankopon.
Because we need. Oh my, I'm here. Nyoma with social media. We share what I'm saying. Na mo and one away.
That is the only do at all.
And I am normal. Obviously, I was so intimate.
I hear the mom.
And I'm so omutiase. And I'm so omutiase. Because obi wa we share me. Ah, empenyufo na we empenyu. Omu share me. On na to aso dia we na. What you wanna who say?
But you go into 2024 elections. Ghana for humiliating Akufo Addo NPP as a political party in the manner that they did. Because Bawumia's defeat is the most embarrassing defeat a candidate has suffered in the electoral history of this country. So now I believe, sir, the party ebesuyan be free. Now amwa hambo amho say this is some verdict to be a Ghana for a pass the amayen. Because we were in an era that was highly signatured by arrogance, by incompetence, by greed, by a physical display of some way. Nipa became not amenable to reasoning, common sense logic. Say, oh, you will be our sorry now, Kassetia Baya, you were deemed enemy of the state.
That's right.
Say, every single principle bia ubehun in democracy bia no yebubu mutuguye. So Ghanaians became so fed up with the Akufo Addo government say they exited the government in a very embarrassing manner, Owusu, in the way that they lost. And my culture say, as reasonable men of conviction running a political institution with tradition, with one kasa with track record like NPP, no, Alaska, when you lose power, you degenerate into a phase we call reconciliation. And this Owusu election, report.
That's right.
See, you don't do those things for nothing. You just try to backtrack to ascertain Nema a course of Owusu elections. So when you get into that reconciliation phase, you don't get people out of the party, but rather you bring people on board. For the first time in the political history of this country, NPP lose political power in that embarrassing manner, and that is the period that Yasaki a lot of people from the party based on dissent.
That's right.
So reconciliation phase na omo kwose nko omo kwakwa thank you talk I engage ye ne ba also na adan I will kill you talk okay
I will kill you.
Oh now Kennedy Agyapong na so for adan tokwa na abronye ne we ewie no moto ma na omo ho.
According to Brian Achampo because omo kokura do ba bi no omo yi Kennedy Agyapong si kwan so
ye candidate si kwan mu ja no hokoe basi tu ja no. So Alaska, that tells you say there are internally the party are fractured.
Okay.
It's broken relationship and your papa, and as good managers of a political party, you try to navigate and patch all these things so that you become a very united entity. Ubetimia gather everybody along now what they are here. But as arrogant as they've always been, that particular reconciliation phase, they jumped it over. My culture said, "This is what come na car na kwatiata amenem." Passenger car, ye car no grass a papa emoja na se fo nyina wom. We are as a sensible driver the first place to take the car to workshop. We are work cleaning and sana da kosi station. But mo fa car no free gata ne ma omo kumasi amam for mefro. And that's exactly what they are doing.
And the over NPP as a political party.
Yes.
Car akwahwe ase. Say the car no be kwa mechanic.
Amana fixe no. Dabi. Station amam for mfro. So mo free say nipa no from no mu nim nyansa ndi glass abokro mbefro.
That's right.
And that is the state the party is in. And it has been reactionary, it has been hostile, it has been lack discipline. The party is indeed broken. And yet this is not me talking. This is demonstrated in the sort of opinion that has been shared by a lot of the founding fathers of the party. Me assure say what your friend say nyahota maklo.
That's right.
Nsama Oka is no different from Nsama Markin. President Kufuor, who is the only living person in the tradition of this UP Buzia Darko tradition, the only person with me I win the election among Montella Akufo Addo by Ayonwa. Na uhu NPP no. That is not what the party is today.
Okay.
A party na maka say nimdifo hwan bobodia kase na se for party na uhu ne nei. Ene ehon candidate omokope president adi ene na uhu. Alaska. So for me, I think that is very, very disappointing. Say a democracy na degenerate into this thing. But adeba ko amanfo nyahu ye ne say, you see, adeba ko edi NPP nya pa mo mulusu election ma de kro.
This a worker.
Aye lack of trust.
Lack of trust.
Yes, amanfo nyi omundi. Now Alaska would infie nwotwe boss ankwase akro no we ya. You think people will believe you so easily? But bomb mine from the ton mine japade ahye ye wo fase ne ye nananom nsa.
Serious.
Yes, and na kwabranete a US so omo na ma me krom omma. Ne ma me krom o.
Ne papa krom.
O se omma one Ghana fo atweaman so se ya so baba o se me ma. One krom ne yere ne ma ne na busuafo ha no mu free.
Ne pesa me American.
Yes. Baby wanyina duri. So Alaska, that is how embarrassing it is. So ade amanfo nigidie wom e lack of trust because face is no mu hu ye ombe show ye arrogance. Kasafi kwasi akro no ne sa ne mani nyina no. They're the same people hovering around. So as a reasonable intelligent party, what you do is try to bring on board candidates here. Ebema amanfo forget what happened under Akufo Addo. Ababaye a dark spot on our democracy. People don't want to remember. But if you handpick individuals who within the period cause mayhem, distraction, kasafi, abrababone, you saying temperament here, I am childish temperament. alternatives as be any reasonable and nam so my economy no koto gatam no the same individuals now sorry and say any ebedi party anymore then it means Ghana ni cannot trust you.
Okay.
If you go to the leadership in parliament it's the same thing. Afenyo Markin that hostile way and menim ade bi se wahu a to Mahamadu Bediatuo man so anya hwe watwa wane ye o watektanti obi a sabi animonyam ne niema bi a wuntimi mfa ewa Akufo Addo aban num no wuntimi mfa ma meka no entina meka sa me candidate o mo twa mo ho ahia nyina the default presidential candidate won share nya no ho asem bebre enka Kwabena Agyapong.
That's right.
Because he was barred from the establishment and on so watie na me tie na che oyobi a the convictions are quite clear. Person of principle, corruption or more can you me get any issue you involved in. So on na obi a sabi senka MPP no nye de yaba be hu ene yanka omunya o say yehena he's somebody or your distance away from all that has happened. So maybe he will be appealing to Ghanaians and to a certain extent he will appeal to Ghanaians. But last Kabada sorry I say your friend said Kennedy Agyapong so president edi. Kennedy Agyapong.
His Excellency Kennedy Agyapong, I still don't PhD.
Alaska.
Are they?
Me say sometimes Ghana for the emotion ke kan sem hunu na se for and on the line of politics na ba na wa born bra and na wanya ne sika na wa say Alaska maka cho say una wo sika dan manyo na video bia o.
That's right.
In politics and governance and that is what people should understand. Una wo sisi abrosan tata so 40. Ohia ni onam kromanya na fidi no. Na me bia no ameda wona ma me dan dam. So we don't give a damn about you and your money. It is about leadership. Obia obetimi exhibit your friends saying leadership ideas bebe betimi transform your mind no. Somebody with good temperament. Somebody on through childish tantrums. Somebody betimi your friends say hey and this for say kokontokwa no de achire. So no na beka
I declare war.
Ye fra no anadwoni yeshia he we say kwatake omo. So if you can be used so easily in this particular manner, somebody who cannot even keep quiet and keep secret, NPP before I can make a review secret. Now we are president, do you know the secret you will learn as a president? And ubufua can you trust that person? The presidency, maybe people think it's a joke. It's not a joke. The last time I told you, one of the American president said, Obey American president. You go through the inauguration, you know.
That's right.
Your that your first a nuclear code near my secret in as a form. Oti and 7 years, he asked for a vacation. He learned secret and life will move on and that secret, that is the a minor year dear secret.
A minor crack.
Yeah, good. Oh, that is the right way. Alaska.
Right.
Na obia asema ba me say asema na honya na no back and forth na attach ya what asema kan attach ya kai say no sia na Heathrow airport na asem bi okafa Akufo Addo hom at this level you do that at this level Alaska met me no wanya asem at this time you bet ya be total enemies bankoma me no wadi in the past
no, not at all.
Remains in the past
not at all
because some me ba won't say me be kan na nyansa ni bia be kasa me nim nyansa because I didn't see and me feel say wrong I should have said it at the time.
That's right.
Nti sa niema we nyina demonstrate adwen a emu ha
adwen we na be di
yes adwen we adwen tra TV so ka kira manfo say Mahama nim nyansa na manfo nkonkɔhye ne dan Akufo Addo yenkɔhye asedu nkatia dan keka nsem hunu ayiyi ema afia so asene guy ni see ni video ni sex videos and then not social media ne Tracy Boakye to ma na omo ho kasa Mahama ene Tracy Boakye na awo
serious
President Mahama ne obi na awo when you could not even into wakeka sa ase bia nkwase asem we nyina aboabo no be ye president a wenya tumi no nipa dim de obetimi aka
I declare war
ewefo ya chi no kwhye ekula mo se ni diabetes aba Makacha said these people who talk wow like this, they are all cowards. What I say? Into Makasa for Kennedy Agyapong, he would have been a perfect person because when Africans said, "Wow, yeah, probably or tough."
That's right.
That is why Rollins always when they come to Rollins, I'm very biased because I like people who can exert power, authority. Who say yes. Because the black men, we are very dangerous people. Sa nyame beye na sa menua no sa nsem hunu no yamfa mu black man. Black man will be a chere no who say consequences or din sem huna masa So I like people who are able to exert power. But no say I was saying no what demonstrate say the emotional intelligence and the emotional competence about me they are navigating around power no he doesn't have it. Onu nya asem se see a womb and I ever time mind and people go about the greatest strength industrialization. What see a dynamic say okay that's fine. What the MPO asem for so how many years? More than 10 years. Now presidents me kwasa here for na way na san say net here. Men so metimi adibi. That aura of respect ni hobiem. And a Ghana for so I don't know so emotional and ansem hunu nti no na ya badge so na president. No. The presidency goes beyond that. It's not about money. It is about somebody who can be able to demonstrate wit. Demonstrate some you see, power now is a concept that needs to be studied and understood. So Ghana for now do not the dynamics of politics, governance, leadership. I'm not sure that we'll be having this particular conversation. But I said, Mr. Ched, aura no about form. That aura no ni hobium. And see no bia that sorry no or nyan. But I jump over the common basic way. Alaska. I did find a common sense. They say you're very expensive. The last time better number children didn't you friend a common and just a boo.
Okay.
The fact that they say common sense that means that it's available.
Okay.
Common sense say nyansa for nyina tenasia. Now you can't say the common position we all take this line. And the money common sense, common to all reasonable men. But it's not say a boo. This is a deep education. Yes.
No, rewind the track.
Me say you can't common sense.
Okay.
And this say abu obia obio. No. Asemba na ye can. Now what's the say nyansa for table who say omonchiro omadwen. The common position they will take. That is the common sense. So it's not common sense. You can't common sense. It's common sense to everybody. No.
Okay.
And available to be very expensive. It can only be expressed by reasonable men.
That's right.
That is the point about common sense. Alaska, we were in a country. Abaye no ho tanya. People were even calling for coup d'etat. Abaye no ya de bia emfa. Ghana for became so hostile and they wanted the government to go.
Okay.
At that time, a cabinet minister came and told us, say, "Mo hotel na mo se mo boka na meto because me kwa Bill Gates mo nyasika." Alaska. Na kraketwa kra odi ne ma me achie ko school na ma me aso no sa wato emo agu ye fa ne say. I don't know. Take away. Flask. Full flask mu. Or kra be yes am kra sem way.
A cabinet minister.
Also about Kwabena Agyapong in the company because I'm not just looking at all talk, but I'm looking at the time what was happening in Ghana.
That's right.
And the fact that Akufo Addo head was on the chopping and you bet here MPP for can say MPP lose can be
exactly
because or Ghana for before the because that wasn't the point to be having that conversation. I buy no why time at the time. Also but hotel.
Theo, we are part of government. Hotel no so ye abindia. What say abiding to me and managing to wo better.
So when you scratch
so what is the essence of you being in government?
Alaska, the same gentleman was involved in that Yawaso West Wagon. I shoot to a man for one of the gentlemen. Ya body no more that so
no
Academ. Bawumia Campaign. Besi no to me no about that particular thing. Now we refer agric ministry. Then the course.
That's right.
MPP Efra ban so. Na ye de ka aduane obro. E de ECOWAS ka aburo. ECOWAS. Cocoa board. Cocoa has always been the backbone of Ghana's economy.
Serious?
Cocoa near the 400 tons. Akufo Addo ko. Na sa amre na cocoa board e she agric ministry as and then ye free ho.
Our finance ministry.
Yes. Bawumia Campaign track record ni o. Answer na obebe na ninu ya no kra de e ye no board e wo ye fence ministry kwa banche ne mpata. Otom banche ne mpata.
So no crap no contest 2023 so be the president. Emumpa.
Otom banche ne mpata so di mpata anwene. Do ya na ya pata to so ama. E na otom ministry. These are comic characters who reduce governance into a joke in this particular country. and also be the president because when you sika and these people the funny aspect of it okofo mu besi obi so almost sika no nya no he ana ni buafu.
That's right.
But in governance in Alaska, where you got your money, you need to tell people where you got it from. Because who baba do your money, people must understand that there should be that clarity.
A source of words.
Ofa Elon Musk na de be general say obetimi a kire say me campaign na ma wa we choose running mate no Alaska untimi choose heba
NAPO problem no any arrogant.
Okay.
Na psychiatric issues. And also catch any place the problem no any arrogant, yes. But a psychiatric issue.
And then all cancer and say ma me chiro mu de all cancer.
Okay.
Then all cancer and say Alaska enye deliberate no ye a naturally accustomed kind of thing. Okay. Because I mean, Kumase, the biggest day in his life, political life, Bawumia Campaign womb away a cop. Alaska.
When an individual is arrogant, he has something behind him.
They talked about the fact that NAPO, the vice presidential candidate, was arrogant.
I spoke about it on television. I told NAPO that his problem is not arrogant. It's a psychiatric case, and he needs attention of a psychiatrist.
Yes, Alaska. It's true. Who said? Maybe I shouldn't say, but who said what's not a fear beam growing up? Now, I say, Josie and Kawasem. That kind of way na you feel that you are better than Obia.
That's right.
And you grow with that mindset and you don't learn how to speak, you don't know how to argue because you see yourself that you are better than other people. So whenever you are supposed so who grow up a chinjen sa nsemna wona man for en HAP to accept other people's view, look beyond one opinion and ascertain the obika. Then within you draw a conclusion. But growing up, if you think you are better than Obi, and Obi can't be so you grow in that and become part of you. Naturally, you may not intend to, but that is how you have become. That is what you have become. So it's natural. You can't run away. That is why he says a psychiatric problem. And so it's not like Washada. And now I'm 424 kwaje mic back up. Adam okoye. I say Akufo Addo mamu no nim se nyansa ni bia o ma.
Serious.
Ade we akola ketwa okura mo de ne maame achi ko school ba kan se mo.
Akola ketwa
yakoto mo amana. Ne maame aso ne sa de ni twa kwan. Alaska ba kan se mo kanokre.
Eje na ponu ya titi na yenye no.
Alaska ende ushia na wabisa no. And for me I think that is the kind of incompetence I can was him. So Bawumia so no ne de say Alaska, this is a gentleman who was out there can some about the economy. So open a period in the history of this country that the economy became so tumbled, so dirty. So who word I may describe that. It is the tenor of this gentleman. So the question is ne ho bufuo ebi na man for the koto about the way the manner they did. Okay. So there na all the bafufro aban de oba ba kuna ulusu uba mienu na ulusu yes naturally nyina nipa da sene Alaska you go back you learn and come back. So within this period no na you move free so wakokusua de nti oba back na no so the policy be bible nti on say obefa Christopher do makọ Israel
odo be ko Israel
and na maka say akwa no incompetence no enya agodie na bom eya ade a engrave in his heart. Oh yes
I want ni DNA
Alaska na baby a Ghana for aba beduru a enkramofo kra de no ye mu binu me ka ye nkwa nkomunyim firi ho because I'm against this nonsense of yam for man sika ne yam fan sponsor am for no mo nko meka obeba na ne batifie adwuma kro onya binye ne ba nam adwuma kro onya binye na papa na watam no de na ko meka na waba na waba ne ba nya adwuma nye no na nyansa ba na wom enti me principle ne say it is the belief of Enkramofo say you need to go to Mecca.
That's right.
But Enkramofo na catch us says obi kwa do kwa enhira nim.
Esa.
Oh yes. Enti wan kasa no unuru ho a mempre nko. Sika na aban de be sa na no Alaska yemfam bie scholarship scheme e wo zongo me say I know a lot of intelligent young people within Zongo. Omunya sponsorship and committee akoye medicine e wo baby.
The way they are very intelligent.
Yes. But yeah, the sikana be man papa we this is 3 years on come camera no akwatena play mu aba obi kura kwa awotimi kukunu wo ho mabiem.
That's right.
Obaba na ne ba no da so te adwuma kro onya binye enti o mind why will you do this? Let us do it in such a way say ono no ne ho so na okwa fine ya enko no man so sika no yɛmfa support ne ma ene your friends programs a ema manfo nya adwuma ye me that's my principal position.
It is here to wase a aban no enya nhyehyɛ say sika nko be investing into that. You investing into the development.
Yes.
This zongo community.
Yes, because emra no ma ye ho kwan your friends ukọ your constitution article 17 down was so you say discriminate emma ho kwan say baby aban no free say obetimi take policies for social, economic, developmental reasons. You know, you can select a group of people, target them with development. That is why Kwame Nkrumah selected Northern Region more scholarship at the time, just to balance it. Okay. So some of these strategies in there, you betimi dey zongo communities, making sure that there are a lot of intelligent people within. I betimi dey support you more. Alaska, and this about Bawumia ba ne. No so say, or the your friend is saying,
Christopher,
or the Christopher kwa.
Israel.
Now even enkamofo no call mo kono kra me nya sure say aban na tua ni nyina de mo am say a subsidy and the wom.
That's right.
A subsidy na aban ye but who create impression say oh ba be fa Christopher do mo akọ.
Na Israel na kasa ko mo asundwe wo ho.
Oh na no okọ Israel efie bia be hia bia mo bom shelter wa hye omuti kum no mo akọ cha ase o man no. And Alaska, you see, we should not be doing these things. Look at a Christopher population more chroma saying. Now a buying decided say or sponsor or now or subsidize the crowd. That's subsidy. Do you know what that money can do in this country? What are seminars? So this is not time to be advocating. Oh, come with fresh ideas at Ghana for Besum. But you say Nipano. The value is the same. On society, a dream bia mekan ho is the same thing. And I am madam for adupim. On the makase adu anan friend say. Enya adupim. Adupim. Alaska. On the Pentecost of one corner mon born the canon the Bible. Oh no uncle preachy. He's a nice guy. And I think so I can't obey me apia nyame. And the president the unforget to cry. Oh. Alaska sembe na okay. I do him there. Obokwa ko hia na Sunday no kura Bible na ye fo o preach na obetimi atwe akra bebre. Na president there ko ye kwada adwene ho he fan. Alaska. Na me catch say presidency no Akufo Addo be bi o. Wa ya manimunyam na ti say tram. Eni ho biem. And anybody at all wetimi abobo ska na kakra bi asara me so person me the president. Devoid of anything. You understand? So for me I think say in as much as it's an internal party NPP na nkasa structure to do whatever that they want to do no me problem ne say 2.3 party no I lose in the way. Okay. Is the reason why you see these characters because ordinary Kennedy Agyapong and co okojina vetting asen ko pam no kura free ho and the catch as a council of state akwa vetting na Kennedy Agyapong pass vetting because a council of state no we dey nkora na mpanimfo because obi a follow Ghana politics now we nim niam akoso okroma say we sit and say a party already no party na nkasa na manfo need trust wom party na nkasa integrity dada now we here to rebuild yourself no we say Kennedy Agyapong a candidate but Champon a candidate Alaska we need to get serious in this country. I do him ever be the president wo kroma say na education ministry ko won man ko si saying oh what I say
aso was coupon be akasimi no
oh masa oh mama sa oda mo mu fura broche baba keka do story yante kroma na omo mu twi taxi driver ka che so mo doctor so mo chira de university ekosi saying ekosi say wo kroma saying.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.